Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you something a little different. This is my setup for my Nintendo Switch Lite and the notebook in which I am keeping notes for the game. So in this pouch I have the Nintendo Switch Lite itself, and then in here I have some stickers that I got from a sticker book and a notebook where I'm keeping notes for the game. So I'll show you this first. This is the Hobonichi Ane pouch. They make this in several sizes. The Ane is the one that this is, and it's kind of perfect for all kinds of little things that you would carry around. But I noticed that this Switch fit perfectly. So I pull that back so that it won't scratch the device itself. So there we go. And I have on order a little case to hold games. I don't have a lot of games yet because I just got this mostly to play Animal Crossing, which is what this notebook is all notes for, is Animal Crossing. What I used to have in here, I've had this for a little while, I used to have my little photo printer in here, and it would hold that and the charger and everything very nicely. Well, I'll show you the compartments inside too, because this is pretty bare at this point other than the Switch Lite. So it has a little zipper pocket in the middle, and then it has a whole bunch of little card holders and places where you can put cash or whatever. This will hold a Hobonichi Weeks if that's what you carry around and use as a planner. But it also held those electronics really well, like my little digital printer. I don't think that I can fit the printer in the same bag. Actually, let me see. I have that off to the side here. I have it in another pouch, but I'm not gonna pull that out. So there's that, and that's the charger. And then I have all these extra things of film. Okay. So let's see if I can fit both of them in here, because that would actually be really convenient. So I'm just going to put that, I had it that way before, but I'm not sure if it'll work that way with the other device. It actually fits. And this is the charging cable for that. And then I can keep extra film. And this is actually the piece of paper that comes out when you first put in a new batch of film. This is the Canon Ivy, and so these are the zinc paper stickers that go in there to print photos. And when you first do it, this comes out. I keep saving these because supposedly you can get different brands of film, and sometimes it won't have this kind of thing in the bottom. And so in order to get it to work with the Canon, you would put that in. And I'm just going to put little batches of film in each of these little card slots here. And that actually fits pretty well. Let me see if it zips up well. Perfect. Okay, well, there you go. I'm going to have to store those together now. I was a little afraid of doing that because of the screen on the Switch. I didn't want to mess with the screen. But I think it's okay. I mean, it has a layer in between, and I think what I could also do is flip it around, although I should have done that, and put it that way so that the screen is out. And as you can see, it holds a lot. Okay, well, that's more than I wanted to show you with the Ane pouch, but I'll put that to the side. So that's how I'm holding my Switch Lite. And then in here, so this is a Chic Sparrow Fergus notebook from the Outlander line, and it is in a B6 Slim, and I changed the elastics to this gold elastic so it would kind of match the color of the notebook itself. And excuse me, and you may have noticed this particular pen before. I had this associated with a different notebook, but it seemed to go very well with this one. I mean, it's not a perfect match, but it's a pretty good match, and I wanted something that could write on the notebook that I have in here, which is a Moleskine medium size. And the Moleskine medium size will fit in a B6 Slim. So I've made this all Animal Crossing theme in here. Can you tell I've been quarantining and I'm kind of bored? It's not so much that I'm bored, I'm just looking for little home projects that don't take a lot of time too. So I'll show you the sticker book where I got all the stickers from. It's this one here that I got off of Amazon. And although I think this came out before the current version of Animal Crossing for the Switch, it still has all of the characters in it that you would find in the current version. And it's kind of generic. I just cut this out. It also has, in addition to stickers, it has all kinds of little puzzle pages and things for kids. So I might end up giving that to my nephew because I basically tore out all the sticker pages and cut up the stickers and put them in here. So I'll show you what I have so far. So I have my name and my town name. I've called it Happy River. And then here are I'm really early, I just got this. So these are the two characters that are currently in my town. And so these are stickers from that, and then their names are above. And I was gonna put little sort of a personality profile over to the side. Like all I really know is that this guy is a workout junkie because like everything he says is related to pumping iron and lifting weights. So I put that there. And I don't know enough about her yet. I've heard that there is I think it might be a Wikipedia page where you can go and see all the different character types that exist. So I might go look at that to see. And then these are just general stickers. Like we have Nook, who owns the store, and then what is the owl's name? He has the museum, so he's already there on my island. And then we have oranges, and I've found some little fossils, so I just put those stickers in there. That's as far as I've gotten. I haven't really detailed too much yet. And things like fish, what fish I've caught, and all that kind of stuff, that the game keeps track of that pretty well. So what I'm trying to keep track of in here is things that the game wouldn't necessarily track, but I would need to play the game, or would help me play the game. So if I know characters' personalities, I can write them letters and that sort of thing, and it might be nice to kind of, develop that relationship in the game. So over here I just have some pattern stickers that came in the book. And then I also have a Keely Reichman insert. This is a Keely Reichman wallet insert, and they're through Etsy. I'll put a link, but I think I've mentioned on a prior video that these are kind of hard to come by because she's so popular. So unless you're there buying these pretty much as soon as she puts them on sale, you're probably going to miss them. I bought this one on a buy-sell trade group. That's how I got this one. So I put some little stickers up here. There's little musical notes. In here, I actually, because I cut all the stickers out, I put the edge sticker from some of the pages that I cut things out of in here so that I could decorate with those. These are furniture and fruit and that kind of thing. And then in the back, I have all of the character stickers. So I won't take it out and go through them all, but if you've ever played Animal Crossing, you know that there's a lot of potential characters, and this has most of them. There's a few that I've noticed that are not there. Like, for example, I didn't see any stickers with the two boys that Nook has. So I would have put them here too because they're at the beginning of the game, but I couldn't find I think it's like Timmy and Tommy or something like that. I've forgotten now. But those stickers were not in there. So that's just how I have that set up. And we'll see how it goes. I was wondering if I should get a larger notebook, like use an A5, because a lot of the player guides are in A5 size, or some of them are even in composition size. And I just thought, I just want something to be able to take notes pretty quickly and keep track of things, and I don't want it to be overly cumbersome. So we'll see if I keep this. The more I've been using this Fergus colored notebook, I really love this color. This color has really been appealing to me. So that at least is nice. I'll get some use out of this notebook. And I really like how it goes with the pouch, with the Ane pouch. I think for now I am going to just take out the photo printer and just use it for the Nintendo Switch Lite. And you could fit the charger for the Switch Lite in here, but it's really, really big, and I don't want it to smush into the console itself and kind of mess it up. So I've just been keeping that plugged into the wall. If I were going to be traveling with it, I'd probably put that in a separate little pouch. Because eventually I would like to travel again with, possibly with these. I probably would not bring the notebook if I'm traveling, if I'm going to be honest with you. Probably would just bring the game unit and the games. And the games are super tiny. They're like this big. So I think that's it. I think that's all I wanted to show you today. So I'll put a link to the sticker book and the items in here below. And that's it for today. All right. Feel free to like and or subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.